Hi guys, if your Shokz headphones are not charging or won't turn on, don't worry, this is usually a power or contact issue. So in this guide, you are going to learn how you can bring them back step by step. Now on the Shokz headphones, charging happens through the magnetic pin. So the magnetic pin is going to look something like this. So you need to inspect the pin and the charging cable. If you see any kind of dust or sweat residue or corrosion inside it, you just have to simply clean them gently with a dry cloth or cotton swab. The poor contact is the main reason they don't charge. After doing so, make sure that you are using the original Shokz magnetic cable. You can connect it directly to a stable USB port or wall adapter. The other types of cables or the low power sources often fail to charge properly. After doing so, what you need to do is you just have to simply press and hold the power button and the volume up buttons together for about 10 to 15 seconds and then release when you see the LED flash or when you hear a prompt, and this is going to reset the internal battery control and it can also restore the power. So you can try these easy fixes and most of the charging and the power issues will be resolved in the Shokz headphones. Thank you.